Hi, this is Steve Cox with Turbo International. We're glad you found our YouTube channel. This tutorial video is geared to finding the search functions for turbochargers and CHRAs. If we click on turbochargers, it's going to take us to this page that then shows the 4 different ways in which you can search for turbochargers. You can do a year, make, model search here for passenger car and light duty truck. You can do a search by turbo OE manufacturer by clicking on the specific manufacturer. You can do a search by part number if you know the TI number, or this is where you would key in an original equipment number, or you can search by engine for medium and heavy duty applications. Let's start with a simple year, make, model search. My brother has a 2014 Chevy Silverado 2500. So when we click that through here, the engine pre-populated in this section here. If there had been multiple engine choices, you would have to utilize the drop-down, but because this is a single 6.6 Duramax, there was only one engine for that truck. When the landing page pops up, you're going to see great images of the product on the left. You're going to see information here about the turbo. You're going to see availability in stock. Here is your price from TI, and then a simple add to the cart function. Another unique thing about the turbochargers is if you find that you're actually looking for a cartridge, we always have the mated TI cartridge clickable here. Further down on the page, there could be some tech notes, applications, interchange information, and interchanges for this specific truck. We had all the Garrett's as well as we had the General Motors applications. So no matter which one you're looking at, you should be able to find it. Lower on the page, you're going to find the related parts like this vane sensor that we have available for that turbo. If we go back up here and go to a secondary search, let's say that you knew the GM number for that turbo on my brother's truck. I know it's a 126 77 684, and we key that in here, and then the information comes back. We don't have images in the interchange file. No, is there an opportunity for a buy box? But what you can see is there is a recognition that that General Motors number does attach back to that GT3788VA. What you want to do in that search is come down here to the interchanges. You'll always find the TI number listed first that interchanges with that OE. Click on that, it took you right back to that 11A7727 turbo. Another unique way in which you can search for turbochargers is click here. You can click on the OE model. You go here, and ultimately we're going to go to a search for a Garrett turbocharger. And if you want to narrow it down, you then come here, you click these buttons here and say, well, I know it's a GT42 that I'm working on, and then I'll reduce that selection down to the 2 turbos within the Garrett family that are considered GT42s. Once it narrows that down, you can go even further down here on the search, and if there's a specific model within that GT42 family, you'll see it here. There's these 2 options. We're going to choose one here. And ultimately what's going to show up here in the replacement section is that one single turbocharger based on your search criteria that will always be listed here. You're looking for a brand that's Turbo International. You're looking for an OE manufacturer of Garrett. You're looking for a GT42, and you're looking for that GT4288. And when it delivers, then this is that specific turbo application. Click on it here again, right back to the same information that I showed you before. The last thing to look at, which we haven't done yet, was a search by engine. If you're looking for something that's more of a medium or heavy duty application like a Caterpillar, you click Caterpillar. Then it's going to give you options here. Going to go to a 3406C Caterpillar engine. It's a 14.6 liter. And ultimately that's then going to return you back similar results page that show the information for that single Caterpillar turbo. When that loads up, I'll show you the information again. Right directly to the page, that's an 11C7182. Anytime you're on a landing page, you can quickly add something to the cart. Back up here, the CHRA functions are just like the turbos. You can search by part number, You can search by turbo manufacturer, you can search by year, make, model, or you can search by engine. I hope you found this video informational. Come back and view the rest of our tutorial videos for a deeper understanding of how you use our new website. Thank you.